Hey, and welcome back to our channel. This is Alice T. Chan with Real Houses of the Bay Area, where we design and manage home renovation projects for busy homeowners throughout the San Francisco Bay Area. Today, I am so excited to share with you one of my all-time favorite transformations because we recently took a nondescript, teeny tiny little bathroom and created something that didn't exist just a few short weeks ago. And if you feel like you live in the world's smallest bathroom, I challenge you to be inspired by what I'm about to share with you, because what doesn't exist today, because you can't even imagine that it can, is possible in just a few short weeks. I would love to hear your feedback, so please leave me a comment below. So let's take a look. Okay, it's Tuesday morning, just about 9:30. My clock is a little bit fast here, but we are getting ready to do demo today on our Bathroom by Thanksgiving project. I'm very excited. On board and tape so that we can prep and make sure we don't damage any of their floors as we are doing demo today. So I just picked up the ram board. This is what it is. It's super thick like cardboard, and you lay this down on flooring, if you can see it from here. And this is what's going to protect your floor. You just cut it to size and you tack it down with painter's tape. And you can roll things across it, you could drag things across it, you can spill, and it will protect your floor because it is nice and thick. This was about $30 for the roll, and then $6, $7 for the tape. Worth it. Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday, and I am in the house where we are actually doing the new Bathroom by Thanksgiving, and we are demoing today. So I'm very excited. I wanted to show you what we're working with and kind of what our plans are, so you get a feel for what this project entails. And we are actually going to complete this before Thanksgiving. And I know it's only a couple of weeks away, but it's totally doable, and I'll tell you how we're doing this. Here it is. It's on the first floor. It's a teeny tiny bathroom. This is the doorway, and here's the bathroom in all its glory. So I'm going to just pan it around. We've got a light fixture, mirror, toilet, and vanity. Very small, only a 36-inch vanity right here. And then behind the door is where the stall shower is. See that? Nothing exciting. So what we're going to do is actually make this entry a pocket door. So it'll be a pocket door that slides to the right, and see this wall right here? There's a bedroom right next door, and here's the closet. And we're actually going to borrow this space and use it for the bathroom and make this the shower. So, and then what we're gonna do, they're still moving stuff out of here, but we're going to then open up this, where these bookcases are, we're gonna make a closet out into the garage. So the garage is on the opposite wall. So this is gonna be the shower. We're gonna frame that out. There's gonna be a pocket door here. So that right here is gonna open up into a shower. That's gonna give us room for a much wider vanity across that back wall. And then in this shower stall area will be where the toilet's going to be relocated. So that's the plan. And I'm very excited to make it happen. So right now we're actually going to lay down the ram board to protect their hardwood floors all the way from the hallway, and then they've got tile here into the entry, and that's kind of our travel point. So we want to make sure that we don't ruin their floors, because I know they just redid their downstairs. Here we are, laying down the ram board, protecting their floor. Okay. Just tape it down with painter's tape.
They got too much glue.
So this is the existing shower location. That's where the toilet's going to be relocated to. We're in the process of removing the shower panels, and Now we can fit a 48-inch vanity here, which is going to butt up against the toilet's going to be moved, and then this wall is going to be opened up, and that's going to be the shower. And there will be a pony wall here that the vanity butts up against. Okay, I think we have decided, like this Calicotta porcelain marble for the shower wall here, and then I really like this mosaic. It's a limestone blend, and I like it because there's different colors and it makes it pop. And then we've got possibly this for the flooring. We've looked at various gray tile, and this one seems to be the best match. And of course, after spending all afternoon sourcing just the right tiles, that mosaic was discontinued as well as that gray floor tile. And then the wall tile, the Calicotta marble, was back ordered. So I was scrambling to find a replacement. The wall has been opened, so that's going to be our new shower. It already feels bigger. That's going to be the vanity area. And this is going to be where the toilet's going to go. There's our samples. Okay, he's been jackhammering for 2 days to lay the pipes. Oh, it's so smoky in here. There's no window, so it's just a fan. Because we got to trench and put the pipes over here. So the toilet, and then we've got to create new plumbing over here, which used to be the closet, so we can have a shower. The framing is up. You see the layer of dust. Gross. Thank you so much to Dan's by Gerber. I received my shipment of all of the gifted products for my new bathroom by Thanksgiving project. So, as you can see from this packing list, we've got quite a few things. We have the widespread faucet. We have a towel ring, a paper holder, the robe hook, a shower head. We have, oh shoot. Here is a progress report on what's happening. Now we have the shower. That's going to get drywalled. We have some framing here. Actually, this is going to be lower because I want this at the bench level, which is only going to be 18 inches high. Still working on some plumbing reconfiguration, and then now the electrical, because we can see that there's outlets for the opposite side of this wall, which is in the garage. And then there's a vent that was right there that he needs to move over to the edge there because we have a recessed medicine cabinet coming in, and he had to cut the framing for the mount. And then here, that still needs to be framed for the pocket door. Okay, here we go. Still got to fill in the ground here. But this is a nice big shower now. We're doing drywall today. And this, if we step out here, is where the vanity is going to go. And that niche is for the medicine cabinet. Now I'm standing in the shower. This is the old shower, which is now going to be where the toilet's going to be. And that is the pocket door. The drywall is now up. But you can see that's going to make a big difference, not having a door swing. And that bench is going to be really nice. But it feels so much more spacious now. Yeah. just waiting to put the party backer there. We've got drywall here. We've filled in the floor with the concrete. Drywall is in here. Taper has come through. Just gonna come back and do some texture. Let's take a look in here. Walls back up, and there's the new closet. There we go. At this point, we had the waterproof paper up and then install the cement board, which then allows us to start the tiling. Now, unfortunately, this project took a little longer than we expected because demoing the subfloor, jackhammering the concrete took a lot longer than we expected. But this was the week of Thanksgiving, and because it was also the day before Thanksgiving, we installed the toilet so that they had something to use on the first floor. And then we also installed the pocket door so that they could have privacy. Okay, we're getting closer. Floor is done, it just needs to be grouted. Toilet is in. I want to bring this vanity in. Ready for the medicine cabinet there, light fixture there. Tile is mostly done. We had to order additional material, which is coming tomorrow, thank goodness. Here is the bench, looking good. Highly recommend a bench anytime you can build one into your new shower area. This is perfect for someone who is elderly that will be using this bathroom. We're going to add a grab bar right there. So in case there's ever an issue, it won't be. This bedroom has been repainted. Love this gray color. It's hard to see right now. Actually, let's see. It's a really nice, pretty gray. There's our new closet. Unfortunately, they brought us sliding doors instead of swing doors. So we're waiting on that to be delivered and installed. We have a custom organizer being built for this closet to take advantage, full advantage of this angle here, because the opposite side of this is the garage, and to the left right here is the doorway out to the backyard, so we didn't want to block that. Okay, here's the vanity inside, and we were worried about the color because it looked really bright and it didn't look like the color that we chose on the paint chip, but now that it is indoors, it's fine. So this is the color that we chose. It ended up being a little too turquoise for the homeowner's personal taste. She wanted something a little more navy, so we had it repainted. Glass shower doors went in, and it looks so good. We gotta let it cure for 24 hours before anybody can use it, but nobody's using this bathroom until probably this weekend. That's when we finalize all of this. Pretty much most of this will be done today. He needs to move that up because it's too close to the backsplash. We're adding the tissue holder and the grab bars. The extra large Costco toilet paper rolls are too thick for this cabinet, so that needs to be addressed. We're adding a rope hook here and a grab bar inside. Here is a bit of a challenge that we came across with this faucet. It's really high. Do you see the profile of that? It's like 8 inches tall. So we're not able to open this side of the medicine cabinet. What I'm going to do is get a shorter faucet. Generally speaking, bathroom faucets are not that tall. So this was actually a surprise. But tip for everyone, and myself included, double check your measurements before you finalize everything else, because I guess ultimately we could have had this, hello, mirror installed a little bit higher, but that was all done way in advance. And the person that's using this bathroom daily is fairly short. So we didn't want it to be super high because it wouldn't be as useful to her. So, but we did have room, and it would just be too much work now to move that up because it was all framed behind the wall. So we live and learn. And here we are at the final reveal. This shower turned out beautifully. We installed a 12 by 18 porcelain Calcutta marble tile from floor to ceiling, and this frameless shower door allows us to see right into that shower space and appreciate everything. We also installed a 12 by 18 gray tile on the floor, which we ran all the way into the shower. A bench was installed so that it makes shaving a lot easier, and also if you need to take a break. And a grab bar helps you get up and keep you stable on those occasions when you need it. And this beautiful mosaic tile highlights the gorgeous shower fixture wall courtesy of Dan's by Gerber. And as you'll notice, we installed a drain away from the center so you're not standing where water is flowing. And a shampoo niche was installed to house all of those shampoo and conditioner bottles so it doesn't clutter up the rest of the shower space. And as you'll remember, this used to be the original shower area, which we relocated the toilet to. We also installed a pocket door, which frees up a lot of valuable floor space that was taken up by a swing door previously. We installed a toilet topper cabinet to house all of the toilet paper, and again, a grab bar is always a good idea, just in case. Custom vanity was built specifically for this space, and we offset the sink to the right so that we can maximize on the counter space. We added a medicine cabinet that was recessed into the wall so that we can maximize as much storage as possible in this small bathroom. And can we talk about these gorgeous cabinet pulls? They're lucite and brushed gold, and they just pop off of this blue. If you remember where this bathroom started, it has been an amazing transformation. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.